Hey friends, if you encounter the control manager error 7009 on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to perform a system restore. So, search for system restore, or let's say recovery, in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Select a good restore point. Let's say this one, and then click on next, and finally click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Now we need to check the status of a few services. The services for this, open the service manager. Okay, open this. We need to make sure that these services are started. The first one is a DCOM server process launcher. Obviously, if we have these service, so we will search for DCOM, right click on it, and make sure that it is started. If not, click on start or restart. Then the RPC endpoint manager. Scroll down to the section for R, and then right click on it, and then start or restart it. But you'll notice that these are grayed out because they already started and you cannot impact them. The same for remote procedure call and the security accounts manager service. Lastly, you need to perform a certain fix on the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Now we need to go to the following key. The first one is HKey local machine, second one is system, and then we have to go to current control set, and then we need to go to control. And in the right pane you'll find something called as services pipe timeout. So do we find it here? If we do not find it here, then we can create a dword 32-bit entry, and we need to give its decimal value 60,000. So I'll copy it, right click, new dword 32-bit entry, paste it here, double click on it and change the value to 60,000 and hit enter. This will solve the problem for most of the users. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.